Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're doing a pop-up explosion card. Untie the ribbon. It says, "Let's celebrate you." And when you tug this gently, it pops for a nice message. Congratulations on reaching a whole new level of wonderful. So let's get started. You're going to start with a piece of cardstock that measures 7 by 7, and you want to score at 1 3/4 on all sides. So here, 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 and here. And then the second score you want to do is at 3 1/2, but only to the score lines. So basically you're going from the center to the score lines you just created. So if you look real carefully, you can see those lines there. And we're going to do some folding to get those so they can actually pop up the way we want to. Creasing is really important. That's why I love the Stampin' Up! Paper trimmer. It does some really clean scoring lines, so then you can actually get them done. So I'm just doing the center ones here. Then you're going to take your ruler and your scoring tool, and you want to do it from the bottom of these lines, and you're basically making that square in the center that actually will hold your sentiment in there. Oh, pushed a little too hard on that one, but that'll still work. There we go. And one more. There you go. And see how that lovely square is there. And basically, it's a little tricky, but you can do it if you just kind of get the folds in, and basically that's it. So if you have this one in and this one out, so valley and mountain, and then same here, valley and mountain, and if you squish, and I'll do it real slow motion, that's half of it right there. And then you're going to repeat this on this side. So again, valley, mountain, valley, mountain, and you're going to do the same fold here. And ta-da! You get this lovely square. Looks complicated, but once you get it folded, it'll just continuously open. So I'm going to set that aside. And the next thing you want to do is get another piece of mint macaron, which is 8 by 3 3/4. You want to score it 3 3/4 and 4 1/8, and that makes this book part, the spine. That will actually hold the pop-up part. So you're just going to score and burnish and see how it makes that like a little book. Alright, then I'm going to lay that down because you're going to want a piece of 20 inches of this ribbon, which is the Evening Evergreen window pane check ribbon. I'm going to take some tear and tape and put it across the whole back in the center. That way it'll hold the ribbon. You don't have to worry about it shifting or moving. I'm going to take the release paper off, fold the ribbon in half, and where the center is, that's where you're going to put the spine. Put it across there. Then we're going to get our DSP, and we're going to need a piece that is 3 1/2 by 3 1/2 and 4 pieces of 1 1/2 squared. And basically I just cut out a one piece. I'm just going to flip those over because that's what makes this part right here. Okay, so first we're going to get some, what should we use? Should we use some Stampin' Seal? I'll do that. Put a little bit on each corner. That's just the way I do my adhesive. Center it there. And then this one, we're going to do opposite. So we'll get some glue for this one. And this is, did I want the yellow side or the other side? I think I wanted the yellow side. Alright, so on this side, on this side, and if it's directional, you just gotta keep that in mind, how you want them. This one, I think what do you think about that? Does that look okay? I'll reverse it. Yeah, we'll do it that way. And then some more glue on there. And then you get to reveal the secret message inside. And what's fun about that one is it actually is on the diagonal. Right there, do you see that? So this will be put into the card this way, but it'll open like that. So I have a piece of basic white that is 2 3/4, 2 3/8 by 2 3/8. And I have some stamps. Let's see what we got here. So we have some Memento ink. Ink that up really good. Really nice sentiment. I like it a lot. Very encouraging. Then I cut out a piece of the daffodil flowers here. This is an accent right there. Just to tie it all in together with the daffodil paper that we're using, Daffodil Afternoon. And then it'll fit perfectly here. Like that. So again, it'll open like that. So then, let's do some more Seal Plus there. Making sure my sentiment is the right side up. And that goes right in the back side here. And then I'll close. And then I have one more piece of DSP that measures, let's see, 1 by 3.5. And I saved this sentiment that says, "Let's celebrate you," for the front. Let's ink that one up. Second. Center it in there. All right. I'm going to place my T4 top there. Actually, I did it too soon. Let's put some plus there and then we'll replace it. And that goes on the front here. Then a lovely tie of the bow. And we are done. What do you think of that, of an explosion card? It's pretty cool. So let's celebrate you right there. Again, untying it, matching and coordinating DSP. Dun, dun, dun. So that one. And then I also used the Friendly Hello set to do another one. So again, let's celebrate you. Different colors here, and you're ready. You are really fabulous. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial on how to make the pop-up explosion card. I'd appreciate if you would like the video, subscribe to my channel, and you won't miss any of these lovely video tutorials. Let me know if there's something you want to learn how to make, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.